हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू सेकंड क्लास ऑफ वैल्यूएशन ऑफ गुडविल which is in CFR paper 17 of CMA finals. Right, so in the last video we have studied that there are 5 methods of calculation of valuation of goodwill: super profit method, capitalization method, average profit method, weighted average profit method, and annuity method. And in the last video we have studied the super profit method. So in this video I want to tell that if you have understood the super profit method and your concept is clear about this method, then you won't face problem in any other method. Okay, because valuation of goodwill totally depends on the super profit method. So now let's starting with the capitalization method, and if you haven't watched the super profit method video yet, then do not watch this video. First go to super profit method, learn that, understand the concepts, then watch this video. Okay, so let's start with capitalization method. If I say there are two ways for doing the valuation of goodwill through capitalization method, is that capitalization of super profit and capitalization of average profit. There is a little difference only which I am gonna share, and as I told in the last video, there are some formulas which will be used in all the other formulas, in other maximum formulas. So the super profit formula which I have told in the last video is super profit is equals to average profit minus normal profit, right? And also I have told the formula of normal profit, which is capital invested into rate divided by 100, which we say normal rate of return. Also I have told the formula of capital invested in the last video. If it comes the needs that I have to tell the capital invested formula once again in this video, then I will do that. For now I am skipping it. So if you want to know about this formula, then you can watch the first video, that is super profit method. Okay, now what is capitalization? What is capital? Why we do the valuation of goodwill through capitalization method? Let me explain what is capitalization in valuation of goodwill. It is the capital invested against the super profit. सर समझ नहीं आया, कोई बात नहीं, समझाता हूँ. If you are just see, if you are earning normal profit, you are a businessman, and if you are earning this much profit, okay, you earn around 2 lakh profits, okay, and the capital you invested, that is 1 lakh. So you have invested this amount and you are earning the normal profit of this amount. But sometimes you get super profit. Suppose you have earned 3 lakh rupees profit, so this 1 lakh profit will be super profit. So जो इसके पीछे का जो गुडविल है, जो हमारे 1 lakh प्रॉफिट आया है, द गुडविल बिहाइंड दैट वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट इट. एंड हाउ वी कैलकुलेट इट? We capitalize. Okay, we do the capitalization of super profit and average profit, then we get it. So this is the concept. किसी भी चीज़ को पढ़ने से पहले उसका concept clarity बहुत होना ज़रूरी है, इसलिए मैंने उसको explain किया. So now let's coming to the question. Let's see capitalization method. There are two ways of determining the value of goodwill using the capitalization approach: average profit and super profit. Average profit formula given, super profit formula given. Okay, let me tell you the formula first. Capitalization of super profit. It is when you calculate normal profit, you do capital invested into rate upon 100. Now when you will calculate calculation of super profit, you will do super profit into 100 by rate. That is reverse of normal rate of return. Okay, because we are capitalizing the goodwill, that how much will be the capital invested behind that. So we have to reverse the formula, right? Here we were calculating the profit, so we were expecting the return on the capital invested, and here we are reversing the normal rate of return into super profit, because we want to know the amount of goodwill we have invested to earn the super profit. And if I talk about capitalization of average profit, then it is equals to average profit multiply by 100 by rate and minus capital invested. We have subtracted capital invested because it is the average profit. जो मैंने आपको लास्ट उसमें कैलकुलेशन बताया था एवरेज प्रॉफिट कैसे निकालते हैं, अगर आप वो देख लेंगे तो आपको इसका समझ में आ जाएगा कि वाई वी हैव सब्ट्रैक्टेड दिस कैपिटल इन्वेस्टेड, राइट. सो नाउ कमिंग टू द क्वेश्चन. Illustration number 16. Just a minute. Yeah. So a firm values goodwill under capitalization of profits method, and its average profits for past 4 years has been determined at 72,000. जो एवरेज प्रॉफिट उसके पिछले 4 साल का है वो 72,000 है. कैपिटलाइजेशन ऑफ प्रॉफिट्स मेथड जो है वो वैल्यू करता है उसके अंडर में गुडविल. नेट एसेट्स और कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड जो है वो दे रखा है. नेट एसेट्स इतना और कैपिटल हमने एम्प्लॉय इतनी करी है 5 लाख रुपीज़, ठीक है. देन एंड इट्स नॉर्मल रेट ऑफ रिटर्न इज 12%. सो कैलकुलेट. अब इसको फिर से हम शॉर्ट में लिख लेते हैं जो भी क्वेश्चन में गिवन है. एवरेज प्रॉफिट ऑफ लास्ट 4 years इज गिवन. Which is 72,000. Net assets given 4,80,000 and capital employed given is 5 lakh, and normal rate of return is 12%. One thing I want to add here, that if we don't have capital invested, then we use capital employed as capital invested. But if we have net assets, then we use this formula where capital invested is needed. Total assets minus current liabilities, right? So don't get confused, because in the last video I have told that capital employed and capital invested is the same. But if we don't have capital invested, but we have net assets, if in this question we don't have net assets as well as capital invested, then we will use capital employed in the place of capital invested, right? So now we have to calculate capitalization of average profit. It is average profit multiply by 100 by rate and minus capital invested. So average profit is 72,000, rate is 12, 100 by 12 minus, we will use total assets minus outstanding liabilities, outside liabilities, ठीक है. तो this will be 6,000 into 100 minus 4,80,000. Okay, so we will get, this will be 6 lakh minus 4,80,000 is 1,20,000. This we will get using capitalization of average profit. But when we do capitalization of average profit, super profit, we use the formula super profit multiply by 100 by rate. सो सर सुपर प्रॉफिट कहाँ से आएगा? अगर आपने लास्ट वीडियो देखा तो आपको पता ही होगा, दिस इज़ एवरेज प्रॉफिट. वैसे मैंने इसमें भी बताया ही है, एवरेज प्रॉफिट माइनस नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट इनटू 100 बाय रेट. Then we have the average profit, which is 72,000, but we don't have normal profit. No worries, we have the formula, that is Jadi Booty. Normal profit is equals to capital invested multiply by rate upon 100. This formula I have told in the first video. Now capital invested is 5 lakh. I will say capital employed. Okay, so 5 lakh into 12 by 100, then we get 60,000. This 60,000 we put here in the formula into 100 by 12. So we get 72 minus 60, 12,000 into 100 by 12, 1,000 and 1 lakh. Okay. So super profit से आंसर है 1 lakh and average profit से है 1,20,000. Let's check it out. Average profit से हमारा आंसर है 1,20,000 and super profit से आया 1 lakh. Okay. So this is completed. Capitalization method is over in this video, and now we are left with 3 more methods, which are average profit method and weighted average profit method and annuity method. So we'll proceed with the other methods in the next video. I hope you got the concepts, and if you got the concept, then don't forget to hit the like button and do share this video with your friends so that they also could take the benefit. That's it. Also don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you all in the next video.